our floating breakfast. Yes. So I asked Noman to bring the basket out of the water because it's way too hot. Like the utensils were burning. I couldn't even hold it. And the entire experience was just not that great. So now we're just gonna eat
To be fair, I would say like if it wasn't so close to noon, if it was like earlier in the day, we still have like half the pool shaded that we would be able to eat.
Yeah, then we would have been able to. Like I tried to like kind of sit in there, but yeah, no. So we had our delicious breakfast and then we got to spend some time in the pool and then freshened up, and now we are heading to the supermarket because we are gonna go get the ingredients for a dessert that we want to make. Wow, this one's way bigger, right?
Way bigger.
We think pancake mix can be used to make crepes. I don't know. The most important ingredient. We can't believe we found these for $17,000 when we've been paying $30,000 to $40,000 everywhere for the past couple days. And I hope this is enough Nutella.
That's gonna be more than enough. I guarantee that.
Noman is using our anniversary as an excuse to get some snacks, and I'm on board because I've been eating really unhealthy for the past 2 days in the name of our anniversary. After this, we're back to our disciplined selves. Agree? Holy, that's like almost $25 for this tiny pack of ice cream.
This one's like 30.
Whoa. And our last ingredient for the crepes, milk. We're back at the villa and we put everything away in the fridge, but I'm gonna start prepping. Noman's taking a break to cool down because it's so hot. Okay, no pressure, Noman. It has to be a very, very thin pancake. Okay, go.
What's this if I don't feel?
Okay. Woohoo! That was pretty good.
No, it wasn't. No.
Now we're gonna make some mini pancakes. We just finished making a bunch of crepes and pancakes, and then we put them in the fridge. Shout out to Noman.
Shout out to her.
What I didn't do it.
Yeah, you did all the Nutella and toppings and stuff.
Okay, yeah.
So the finishing touches.
Shout out to teamwork. Okay.
Yeah.
Look how red Noman is.
Yeah,
He's got the natural blush going on.
Definitely got a sunburn.
So that's why they would tell us to put that thing on before surfing.
Yeah.
Now we're heading to our massage appointment. We're gonna do a 1-hour massage. We found one nearby. So we're really excited for that because especially after surfing, like, I don't know about you, but my legs are hurting. No, you're fine?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, whatever. Ready for our massage?
She wrote it down, her notes.
Okay, we just got back from our massage. Let me tell you, that was the absolute best massage I've ever received in my entire life. Not to mention, it was so cheap. We literally paid, how much did we pay?
$200K with it.
We only paid $20 worth of this massage, which was an hour long for both of us. So literally like $10 for 60 minutes. Are you kidding me? I would do that every day. I wish we knew about this place earlier. We're like leaving tomorrow, but it's literally the best place. So that was a success. Now we're gonna order dinner.
Did you rate it?
Noman's food is here.
लड़की एक दूसरे को जानने के लिए शादी से पहले एक साथ रहेंगे.
Small.
Happy 9 years. So today's our actual anniversary and we're checking out, heading to the airport.